This is the brief on the body, perception, and philosophy's mystery. So Merleau-Ponty has this really radical idea. He argues that perception isn't some passive thing your brain does, but an active way of being in the world. This turns philosophy into a constant, open-ended question about our own existence. So let's jump in. First, let's talk about intentionality. This is a core concept. It basically means that when you perceive something, your awareness is always directed at it. But here's the twist. It's not that your mind is just making a little copy of an object. Perception is more like a search for meaning, pointing toward a possible object rather than just being physically caused by it. Second, we've got the embodied subject. Now, your body isn't just another object in the room, right? It's the very thing that makes all your experience possible. It's what sees and touches. This makes it both the perceiver and the perceived. A really fascinating object-subject. This completely challenges that old idea of a totally separate mind and body. Finally, Merleau-Ponty wants us to accept ambiguity and intersubjectivity. You know, the world isn't some neat puzzle to be solved. He sees it as this shared space where your perspective and my perspective and everyone else's all intersect. So the world and even rationality itself, they aren't problems. They're essential mysteries that are just part of being alive. Ultimately, radical reflection means recognizing its own dependence on an unreflected life, that is its initial, constant, and final situation.